The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips, work the legs. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna get into a march position to start. So for that, I'm gonna bring one arm forward. If it's my right arm going forward, my left leg's gonna go up to be about parallel to the ground, and I'm gonna go up on my tippy toes. So that's the march. So it's arm forward and upward on the tippy toes. From there, you're then going to land into a forward lunge. With the forward lunge landing, what you wanna make sure is that your knee's going straight forward. It's not going out to the side or across this way, straight forward. And then you want to take a knee straight down without your stance being super big like this. So if you want to throw breathing in the mix, you're going to inhale during the march in the eccentric. Exhale, push back to the start like so. Just like that. I'm going to go march up. And again. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.